Welcome to the TVS Virtual Showroom. The Apache RTR are a series of bikes that revolutionized the Indian motorcycling. What better way to fully understand this racing monster than by building one yourself? TVS's technology, racing experience and passion take shape in the form of a razor-sharp racing machine, the RTR200, a bike born, baptized and raised on the track with the sole purpose of dominating the streets and tracks with grit. Now, align the engine cowl with the highlighted portion on the bike. The radically designed tank cowl has a lean, mean and super sharp design, clearly underscoring the sheer aggression of the machine that's ready to capture its prey in the twinkling of an eye. Now, pick up the engine by touching it with the controller and pressing the trigger. Align the engine with the highlighted portion on the bike and press the race-derived 200cc 4-valve engine with oil-cooled combustion chamber and state-of-the-art ram air-assisted cooling ensures that the engine stays cooler by up to 10 degrees. Now that you know what the essence of the bike is, place the chassis along the highlighted portion. The split cradle chassis with pure racing origins offers higher torsional stiffening that serves as the foundation for perfect balance, handling and razor-sharp precision while hitting the corners, ensuring that you nail the apex each time. Align the monoshock with the highlighted portion. The world-renowned Kayaba suspension provides the ideal damping settings, offering a comfortable ride on the city streets, great stability on the highway, and superb cornering capabilities on the track. As you continue to place the exhaust along the highlighted portion and press the trigger. Serving as the perfect background score to all this merciless mayhem is the racing double-barrel exhaust system made from bare stainless steel. Now pick up that cool tire with the controller. Align the tire with the highlighted portion and press the trigger. The TVS Remora tires as such offer excellent control with a wider rear tire. Additionally, you could choose the Pirelli tires offering unmatched performance and superior grip. As we come close to completing your bike, align the seat with the bike and press the trigger. The foam in-place technology for the seats ensures the right amount of cushioning. Also, the rider's seat is tapered towards the front, allowing the rider to grip the tank easily. Now pick up the digital speedometer with the controller. Align the speedometer with the highlighted portion and press the trigger. The fully digital instrument console, in addition to the regular information, provides a gear shift indicator, shift light, lap timer, top speed recorder and a clock. Now for the finishing touch. pick up the Apache logo with the controller. Align the Apache logo with a highlighted point. Finally, sealing things off are the myriad color options available in both matte and glossy finish. Pick the color of your choice using the trigger on the controller. Now, pick up the key with the controller. Insert the key and awaken the beast. The Apache RTR 200 has revolutionized the Indian motorcycling scene by introducing true racing technology to the masses. Get ready for a ride on this razor-sharp racing machine. That's right, 0 to 60 in just 3.9 seconds. The race-derived 4-valve 200cc engine with O3C technology ensures that the power delivery is smooth and refined, yet brutally aggressive. The split cradle chassis with a longer wheelbase offers great stability and amazing handling characteristics. Even at high speed, you can just glide through the racetrack. The well-renowned Kayaba suspension offers a comfortable and pliant ride on the city streets, excellent control on the highway, and superb cornering capabilities on the track. The aluminium forged handlebar on board is ideally set up to help you steer the bike precisely through city traffic, while also flawlessly following the line while tackling sharp corners on the track. The Ram Air Assist technology ensures the engine isn't strained even at high RPM. The power sweet spot is between 5,500 and 8,500 RPM, allowing for higher speeds at every gear. Petrol discs offer better heat dissipation and overall braking performance. Adding to this, the next-gen dual-channel anti-lock braking system with rear-wheel lift-off protection helps prevent wheel lock-up and skidding on wet surfaces. When passion and precision defines your vision, what you get is a product that always strives for excellence. The Apache RTR 200 has won several prestigious awards. Not only is it the first choice among the experts, but also a bike for the masses. Apache RTR 204V, engineered by the stopwatch.